Is this a joke?
We messed up. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We're in line at Ikea. Like we're in a queue.
A very long extended queue.
This is the theme park, the only theme park open outside of Knott's Taste of Calico.
Yep.
That you can visit right now, because this is basically what theme park lines look like. So I'm curious as to why this is allowed but other things aren't. Anyways, as you can see, when we walked in, the first tent that we saw said 20 minutes, and we're like, okay, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
And then as we made our way around the building, as they kept directing us, we came into this other section of tents. Oh my gosh. And a nice sign that said 40 minutes, and we're like, oh, okay. And we decided to stick it out, though.
More, by the way.
Yeah, we just decided to stick it out because it's moving. As you can see, we have not stopped walking since the intro.
Corralled. But I think that the thing is, though, is we actually really need stuff here because we are moving. Yeah. So it's better, like we were going to plan on just looking and then maybe purchasing stuff at another time, but now if you like it, you're getting it, and that's all there is to it.
It's the only time we're getting on this ride today, so.
Yeah, we're only getting on this ride once. It's like the first Rise of the Resistance. That was it for a while.
It was like Guardians for me. All right, we stopped on a marker. Line has kind of subsided. Oh, nope, it's starting to move again.
Just a little bit. Now, the store opened at 11 and we arrived at 11:05. And that's how bad this is. So if you are coming to Ikea,
I'm sure there was a pre-queue.
Maybe, that's what I was saying. If you are coming to Ikea, get here an hour early.
Yeah.
Because
you want to be
nuts.
The rope drop at Ikea.
And now I want to mention we are in Burbank, and it is 90 degrees already at 11 o'clock in the morning. FYI.
Yeah.
How do you feel about this?
I don't know. I'm in a queue for a home goods store. It's like, I don't know. I guess I'm used to it though. With Downtown Disney was like this, you had to wait in line to get into those kind of stores. What's the difference, right?
I guess that's true.
As well as the fact that Ikea doesn't really, there's not like 1,000 locations.
Yeah.
They're scattered.
Yeah, throughout.
Through the counties, because there's like, it'd be like one per county almost, it feels like.
Well, I'm a little curious if the one in Costa Mesa in Orange County where we're moving, if it's as bad there.
Probably. I mean, they usually service multiple communities and cities. So. But
my thought though is there's a way higher population density in Los Angeles County versus Orange County. Yeah, but we're gonna have to find out now.
It just depends on how far it is from other places.
Ah, look, it's the flags of Ikea.
The majestic flags of Ikea. In all their glory.
And all their glory, may they wave freely in the breeze, knowing that their line queue extends to 40 minutes. You guys, I know we sound like we're complaining, which we kind of are, I'm not gonna lie, but it's kind of just funny and we're making the best of it. It's just when you don't expect it, you're like, what?
Yeah, whoa.
What? So just know that we're coming from a place of like, whoa. Big whoa.
Okay, we have successfully navigated tent number two? Okay, yep. Second tent. First one was over there. This is the second one.
So I guess it's like Frogger, we're waiting to be told when we can cross the road.
We can get to the pop-up tents, which here's the first of a series of pop-up tents.
Are we going in this one?
Looks like we're moving,
okay.
Yeah,
okay.
We're moving.
Woo,
we've got the green light.
Yes.
We now get to walk under the
ooh, look, it's like the red carpet.
Ikea sign.
All right, everyone, welcome to Ikea.
Yeah, they just need to step and repeat against the wall some logos. Oh gosh, I gotta watch my head. If you're
they're low.
If you're tall and you know about easy up tents, you know that this is can
like
be
you're barely cresting, like just barely.
All right, so that was good.
Maybe we just got here in the opening rush because the front tent, the first tent we went in, is empty. So maybe that's what it is, just like the opening rush.
My tentative plan. See what I did there?
I did. Tentative?
My tentative plan was to, you know, shoot a couple clips out here. I have to say the line's a little intense. It's all intense. See? Tense everywhere.
Okay.
Sorry. It's kind of cool when you look across the 5 freeway, you can see Mount Lee, backside of the Hollywood sign where that radio tower is, and Forest Lawn over there as well. Okay, we're approaching the 20-minute tent that we saw in the beginning, right by the entrance now. We're getting close.
Yeah.
It is moving, that's one good thing. It's moving like a pirate's queue. Or
It feels, yeah, piratey.
any one of those queues that has the constant movement. People Mover was like that too because it never stopped.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah. I can see the entrance.
The light at the end of
Oh my gosh.
Technol.
The Tentinel.
I was thinking tunnel.
Are you the sentinel of the Tentinel?
Exactly.
Yeah.
What's a sentinel?
Like a guard.
Just a reminder, you guys do need to wear your face mask over your nose while you guys are on Ikea property. Thank you.
So they're constantly reminding everybody, which I really appreciate. There it is, the entrance.
Thank you.
Okay, we've entered. It's almost like he's on a TV screen. That's cool.
You look good back there.
Thank you. Let's not linger, but let's have a lingonberry drink, right? Isn't that what they have?
Good, yeah.
But don't linger with your lingonberry. Looking like the cafeteria is really not happening, I don't think, but I see people in there. Maybe you can sit over there in the seats, but there is nothing being sold or served at this time.
All right, so we've come downstairs. We now have acquired a cart. If I'm being honest, it's really a struggle here right now because if you're in this like main walkway, people are just getting this close to you.
Even when you're moving, it's not like we're like the first stop and to go by, that's fine. But like when you're moving and they're coming to pass you like it's a freeway, that's what's weird.
Yeah,
you know?
it's really, it's really like, it's really concerning. We're gonna look for a couple of things and then kind of try to hurry to get out of here and not be lingering because clearly it's not something as safe as I had thought. But again, this further goes with what I said, how Disney has been doing it the best. So here's some kitchenwares. Now the thing about Ikea is they really do have like the best prices for everything. This is really cool. I needed something like this. Let's see what they charge. 99 bucks. We are on a hunt right now for kitchen tables. That's like the idea of what we want to find. So we're hoping we can find something like that. Here's all of the dishes. We're not really needing anything like that. There's an Utafest. Is it hot or is it me?
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, it's a little hot. I was like, okay. It starts to make you paranoid. Okay, I need one of these really bad. It's kind of funny, I'm noticing all the things I need. I think that's what happens when you're here, is you just notice all the stuff you actually need. All right, we are now backtracking against the flow because we found out kitchen tables are back upstairs, and being the labyrinth that is Ikea, we aren't able to, if we were to go back that way, we wouldn't be able to get back up. So our trusty leader here is leading us to destiny because a kitchen table is the main thing that we want to get here. It's the right size here and you know, always a good price of course, but it's the size and shape that we're looking for. So we're gonna go and check that out. Okay, to the elevator we go. All right, this is how we do elevators. This is a very big elevator. At least we have some distance over here, I will say, but I'm curious how the showroom is gonna be though, you know? Like, it's the only thing that I'm like, that's the only thing I'm most worried about is how is the showroom gonna be? Okay, this elevator is limited to 4 people, which I definitely like that. There's so much room for activities here.
It's like the Guardians elevator.
I know, huh? It kind of feels like that size. Oh gosh, don't even say that. Yeah, which door is gonna open? It's like the stretching room. Yeah. We should just have pretended that we were in the Haunted Mansion. Okay. So now he said make a left and then another left. Let's see what the showroom is all about. Again, I do feel like there's more circulation and stuff up here because there is a higher ceiling. Look how cute.
I'm gonna check out the floor right.
Okay, here's like living room and couch ideas. This one's really cute. I really like this couch. It matches the home pillow and it's only $3.99. The one I like and it says temporarily unavailable. That is very unfortunate because that's a cute one. I do like the chair too. Cute table. But this table's too big. We need we want to get like a small compact table.
Right.
But I think we're on the right track. All right, we have wandered into the couch section. I like this white one actually a lot. It's just a cute little thing. As we venture further into the depths of Ikea, we are still on a quest for tables and chairs. Oh, here's one, Spence. I think this was the one I was kind of looking at. Because I like this. I like this. This is the one I like.
Oh, yeah.
Remember online?
Yeah.
That one's so cute. Because see how it's simple and it's light wood? I really like this. And I like the rug with it too.
$80 for the table.
Wow. How much are the chairs? I think there's a tag on that one. 29? How much is this couch? So that's the couch we need. I actually really like that couch.
400.
400? This is like everything we need. The chairs are 29 and we only need 2 chairs right now. Okay, so this is the table we like. We're gonna see about purchasing it and how we could go about doing so. But this is the perfect table. Spence, can you pronounce what the table's called?
Ingo or Ingo?
Ingo, got it.
Ingo.
Ingo and get it.
Outgo. Ingo. In-stop.
Ingo, get it. Sorry, by the way, if you're hearing, there seems to be some constructione going on.
Yeah.
But I really like this couch, Spence. Go sit on it. Let me see what you look like. Oh. It's a cute little couch for how cheap it is. Not a bad deal. Because then we can always get a matching like chair eventually. Oh, so you could get it without a sofa cover. It's $350 without the sofa cover. By the way, this noise is making this vlog very difficult. I apologize. That and we are sweating. It is so hot in here. It feels the same temperature as outside, so we're just like, oh. This is called the struggle vlog.
We noticed, look, it's like the little capsule for the child.
It'd be perfect for
You
Binky.
could get it for Binky. I think it's like $69.
Yeah.
Interesting, huh?
She would actually like that too. If I know Binky, she'd sit in that.
She'd sit in there.
Oh yeah, 100% she would sit right there and be like, yes.
That is so funny. It's so Mandalorian.
I know, it is. It's
And then look,
amazing.
there's a thing of the solar system up there,
Huh.
ironically, and a globe
That you could draw
that
on, right?
that has nothing on it. That's kind of a
Is it for paint markers,
Oh.
you think? Or is it for
yeah. Draw
chalk?
your own world.
Oh, that's rad. So we were up there looking at the furniture, by the way, and we were just getting so hot and so like, just, you know when you're just not comfortable?
Yeah.
That's what we were both feeling. So
Yeah.
we came down, we're like, you know what, we're gonna go.
Yeah.
And if we can't get the stuff we want, we'll just look online. The lady was like, no, you can't. It's probably back ordered online. So
Right.
we're like, okay, we're just gonna go on our way out.
Right.
And like I said, we came down here and it's a lot less chaotic. Because I mean, we were getting bumped. I mean, it's uncomfortable. We're in a pandemic, people. What are we thinking?
Yeah.
So we got it. I just want to say this to you though, because don't be afraid to leave somewhere that you're uncomfortable during something like this.
Yeah.
It's a big deal. And you know, you have to stand up for yourself and go like, you know what, this just isn't the right situation for me. I'm gonna go.
Because I think people forget because they've been here and they think it's like the old days and they just
Yeah.
forget. And they
It's
start
not.
getting caught up in the whole shopping dust, as I call
Right.
it. They're on that shopping dust.
Yeah, and it's like you just have to remember we have to be responsible and
Right.
think about these things. It's
And
not a joke.
And I guess for me, I'm not a shopper, so to speak.
So
Like when
on top of
it makes it hard for me because I honestly, I don't like IKEA. It's just the process of coming here. I've never enjoyed it. Now,
it's not
multiply
easy.
it by 10 and I'm
Yeah.
not into this at
I
all.
feel it. So we're gonna take a browse because we have to exit through the warehouse anyways to see if they have our table and chairs. If they don't, we gotta move on.
Yeah.
It is what it is. That's just how it goes now. You have to
Yeah.
let it roll off your back now, so onward.
I'd like to say that it was an adventure. I guess it was in some way an adventure. Hey, look. That's Amsterdam right there, I can tell you that. I know right off the bat that is Amsterdam. The bike and the canals kind of give it away, but
It's really pretty.
that could be the single canal. These mirrors look like gold pan mirrors or something. This is a weird looking mirror. Look at this. What would
That is funny.
what's the idea of this?
Well, I would think it's for like your last looks mirror, and you would probably have like some of your hair stuff and all that right there.
Yeah, interesting. You're looking at the man in the mirror. Those are kind of interesting.
Yeah.
They're like just put together with petals.
They're very pretty.
Okay, finally made it to the warehouse.
And I think they don't have the table because I took a picture of the tag and it didn't have the location of it, which usually means they don't have it.
Right.
Which would be our luck, but we'll see. We'll check for the couch at least because they definitely have that listed.
I feel like we're in that last scene of Raiders of the Lost Ark when they're going to stash the Ark in that warehouse to be lost forever. Yeah, I totally want to recreate that Raiders of the Lost Ark scene. If I had an arm 20 feet long, then I could start raising the shot. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
We need bin 13 or 22.
I'm looking for the Ark of the Covenant. It's in a box. There's some burnt markings where they...
No, this isn't the right aisle.
Oh my gosh.
This is the right aisle. This is aisle 16.
Look at this. It's
We're
just
on the wrong aisle.
This is a warehouse nightmare. Look at that. It just keeps going and going and going. I almost feel like I need to be in a Rise of the Resistance ride vehicle. Like it feels like trackless. Feels like the trackless system would be in this polished concrete here.
We just spoke with an employee. The couch is not in stock. The table is also not in stock. The soonest it would be in would be the 25th of August. So my thought process is because we are trying to get something like sooner rather than later. I think we should look around at other places.
There is one thing I do appreciate about IKEA, and it's the names of everything, and I think it's the designers, the Swedish designers' names. Like this one, the sofa, Karlstad, or Karlstad, I'm not sure how you would pronounce that, but it reminds me of Seinfeld, Carl Farkman. He was the furniture designer in one of the episodes, and it kind of went along with like an IKEA vibe. And anyways, if you know the episode, I won't explain it, you know what I mean. If you know, you know.
Okay, I have another update. So I asked, what if we just wanted to order the table and you cannot? You have to just, there's like no doing that because of COVID. Big surprise. So we basically would have to come here on the 25th and hope that they got it in.
Oh, I see.
So that kind of, I don't think we're going to be able to keep doing stuff like that. Now, I thought maybe trying another IKEA. You know, maybe I try the one in Costa Mesa, but I mean, we might just find something else somewhere else.
Right.
You know, because this is, it might be a little more expensive, but that's all I can think of.
More IKEA names that I enjoy. Haugesund.
That'd be Haugesund.
Haugesund, I don't know, it's Swedish. Haugsva. And I'll tell you, we're not missing the IKEA lines either, so kind of glad we didn't get anything because you wait in line to get in, you wait in line to get out.
Yeah, I mean, we would expect a line, but it also looks worse probably because of social distancing.
Bye, Kia.
Bye, Kia. It's a different process. I think but I'm glad we came and figured it out, you know, that like, this wasn't our best option, you know.
Hey, look, I can smell these Cinnabons. Oh.
I like that you called it a Cinnabon.
And then look, they've got the quick service takeout downstairs open. You know, slice of pizza, hot dog, salad.
Ooh, it's warm out here.
All right, well, that wraps it up.
That was
epic fail.
That was not a, yeah, I could say that was definitely our IKEA fail.
Yeah.
Now, again, I don't want to blame the company or the employees, nothing of the sort. No, you can't help it when there's a pandemic going on, and it's the responsibility of us to wash our hands, to wear our masks, and social distance. Like, it's our responsibility. Yeah. And I think that's...
It just becomes more difficult in situations like that, that's all.
It does. I think...
Your defensive mechanisms have to be on full alert, because that
concludes our epic fail at IKEA.
Yeah, we're gonna keep looking, we're gonna try to figure this out, so the quest continues.
Yes, we tried though, we did a really, I feel like we did a thorough job as best we could. Yeah. Especially given the circumstances. That's true. But hey, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Exactly, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye bye everybody!